see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, alphabets are aligned in left side. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended, and the alphabets are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see code to execute this pattern. We have already seen how to print number triangle pattern. So run this file py triangle.py. In this code, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern. Here 64 plus, save the file and run the file in the terminal py triangle.py. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of right angle triangle pattern.